Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus heating while charging. So first, you need to understand that it's normal if you charge your tablet using fast charging. Because you're charging your battery faster, it's just made to be a bit hotter because it's getting much more energy at once. So ignore this if you're using fast charging. If not, then go over into the settings, and in those settings you need to check for background apps that can cause heat and high power consumption. So we are going straight into the battery. Now in the battery, what are we gonna do is we're gonna swipe down, and here we have the information about the background for these apps. So for example, Google TV, I can turn this off, and now Google TV won't run in the background. I do not have apps that I can actually turn off and show you guys that it makes like a much of a difference. So all you need is to find apps like this on your tablet. Make sure that you use the original cable and a charging brick. This is very important because sometimes if you got a third-party charger, then it's definitely bad. And make sure to avoid your tablet while charging it. I know that it might be charging for a bit of a long time, but it is still normal because the battery is just big. You want to make sure that you're not gaming on it, watching games, Netflix and etc. while it's charging, because it can damage the battery and make it heat up. Also, if you got a case for your entire tablet, make sure to remove it. As you guys can see, I do not have a case and heat is not trapped. So if you got a case, heat is trapped, and we want to improve the heat dissipation, so make sure to remove the case and charge the tablet in a cool and ventilated area, because we all know that if we plug in our tablet in a summer straight to the sun, we all know that it's going to end very badly. We all know that we are probably going to get something out of our battery. It can definitely cook the battery and it will not work properly. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.